get in the house, dummies. Now that I've wrangled them, starting this off with I don't know, douchebags and bad days. So usual, I haven't posted in a week because things got a little topsy-turvy. I was actually planning on trading this thing for a 4Runner. In the meantime, I've been tinkering on blue a little bit, doing some powder coating stuff downstairs. But yeah, like I was saying, I was thinking about trading the Cummins for a 4Runner. Yada yada yada, long story short, dude's just a douchebag, ends up flaking, making up a bunch of excuses, and to be honest, I'm kind of glad because that 4Runner was beat, had a bunch of wiring stuff that I was going to have to deal with, and yeah, I was taking a lost 4Runner for a Cummins, and really the only reason I wanted to get rid of the Cummins is it's not getting, I don't know, the snow ability that I was hoping it was going to have. It's getting the views and the content and all that stuff, and getting tons of likes on Instagram and all that, but I don't know, something about it. What I'm thinking now is we're gonna clean it up a little bit today. We're gonna mess around with a few little things, and we're gonna be going to a truck show in Longview tomorrow. It's called the Outlaw in Pacific Northwest Truck Show, I believe. So yeah, why not do a couple little odds and ends. We got a diesel crate here that we'll go through, and oh hey, yes, now I have 2 pairs. Throw one on the blue truck, one on the black truck, and I'm actually thinking we're gonna go ahead and yank the 35s on the 22s and throw them on the truck real quick, because I don't know about you guys, I think that might look a little bit better for a truck show. Clean them up real fast and roll those for the day, and then possibly the following day go out and play in the snow. But I'll go ahead and throw that footage in here. We did have a great time. We had fun with the family. The Cummins actually did great, no issues. Just wasn't as prepared for the snow as I was expecting. I had straps and stuff like that, but I really need to figure out a way to get the winch from the blue truck onto the black truck, and then that way it might be a little more capable. Possibly grab another set of tires or something like that. But while I get a bunch of little stuff around here wrapped up and ready to get this stuff thrown onto the other truck, throw in a little footage of said last weekend in the snow. Because look, we found powder a little bit, but it's raining and it's cold and there's not as much as I want. So I locked the hubs. Oh, we got people ripping. I got, I guess, the first chance to test 4 high, and then we got that hill to play on. There's wifey. But I think we're just gonna head up there because there's a little fun spot we mess around in. I'll try and drive the truck there, have her film, and yada yada. Oh, that thing sounded nice. I miss my Silverados, but still happy. So let's get up the hill a little ways, and yeah, I guess, I don't know, I have some surprises that I'll talk to you guys about in a little bit. We're just gonna get up there and have some fun first, then we'll, yeah. I'm rambling, I'm cold. Let's try and go get stuck-ish. Not really. He's so mad. I'm not mad, I'm excited. I mean, I'm trying to film one-handed and not get stuck didn't go as great as I wanted, and now we're just kind of on a crappy spot on the side of the road. So yeah, we're gonna move shortly, but play a little bit, try and drive a little bit, and I guess see what happens. Yeah, driving one-handed, just, oh, that was That was stupid, but let's get this guy warm, get some playing going, and have some fun. Holy crap, that was smoky. It worked. We're gonna run down to the little truck ramp down here, probably get a little more footage down there and mess around a little bit. Watch wifey. See how she does. She's never driven in the snow, so she's doing pretty good though. Remember, look down and make sure your traction control's off. It's the one with the squiggly lines. Okay. Just keep your wheels straight, go forward, and whenever you can start turning, turn. Okay, stop. Back up. Keep going, keep going.
Carnage. Hey, guess what? You got out.
Holy shit. Oh, okay, well, that didn't go how I expected. Holy shit. My door popped back open. Yo, this thing's pretty fun. My hands are shaking. I was like, oh, I'm stuck. I wasn't stuck. I got out. Holy shit. Oh my god. And yeah, with that, I'm gonna let you guys watch me throw some wheels and tires on this thing, change a couple things. I don't know. We're just trying to do a little odds and ends and get ready for the show. Okay, running back in, throwing this little thing up there so I have it ready for my keychain, because why not throw an American flag thing on my keychain? Like I said, nothing fancy in this video, short, sweet, just catching you guys up from the last week or so, and now unveiling this thing for its show look for tomorrow, and then probably snow after. But that means switching those back. So, I'm gonna B-roll this thing out.